Hello everyone, this is Sriharsha and welcome back to part 8 of my LudumDare live streaming. So in this part I have added some socks. I'm pretty sure socks is an unconventional weapon and this is shield. This is the pillow that I will be maybe using after some time. So it's time to implement these attacks in the enemy robot in the player robot. I'll first implement in player robot and then try to implement artificial intelligence for enemy robot because I don't have any prior experience in AI there. So first to start, I'll go to resources and I have new textures called socks and another new texture called shield, and I have to define them here. Int socks ID is equal to loader dot define texture resources socks.png. The same with shield stid loader dot define texture resources shield.png. So now I have to load these. After loading, socks is equal to loader dot get texture stid socks id and shield is equal to loader dot get texture stid. So I have added socks and shield to the resources. So the next thing I have to do is just similar to the blade, I'll add a socks to it. So new entity called socks extends entity 2D, and I should probably change this in the template, but I don't have time right now. Okay, I'll just copy this to socks. So yeah, and the resources socks. So in the player robot, uh, okay, in the player robot, I will have to add a new socks. So if socks is clicked, I'll trust socks if T up with the up arrow key. So this is the same paste, and here I'll replace it with socks. And these socks use I'll go. I want to add a rotating animation. So rotate. I'm thinking of rotating this entity with the speed should be 90 degrees per second. So 90 times delta, and here I have to change this as use the transformations. So g2d dot transform get transform g2d dot reset transform. So transforming this, and if since we are transforming, I should use draw this at the position 0 because the translation is also handled in this transform. So now I'll test it. So yeah, so yeah, they're working. I will increase the speed so 180 degrees. So yeah, entities. Yeah, the next thing I have want to do is make this affect the enemy robot. So in the play state, register this to the enemy robot. So collider.register enemy robot class with socks class. On the same way, user.enemy robot class with bait class. I will rename this probably to baits because there are three blades in the image. So yeah, now I have added the collision events. Now the enemy robot should respond to the collisions. If other instance of wait, it is first baits or other instance of socks, first simply I'll want to destroy other dot destroy. So if I run this, destroys. Very good. Okay, now it's time for I think to implement the direction for the enemy robot. So okay, why not? Yeah, I will remove this direction enum here and make this here new class direction enum direction, and it is left or right. Only two directions in this game. Now here I'll just import, and everything should work as expected. I don't want to break anything. So yeah, socks, and Okay, yeah. So it is okay. It doesn't show me the time. Okay, now I want to. Okay, first I'll make the player robot. So add a direction here. Private direction. By default, enemy will be left facing, and here I'll add this. So direction equal to equal left and pause. So okay, the X is good. I want it to be placed at somewhere side, so I'll go to place it. Okay, X is 600. No, it's X is actually 800. Yeah, and now it should. Yeah, I want one more place. So minus 4 times 48, and now it should work the same. Yeah. Okay. Now I should add health. So this health will also be public static because it should be accessible from the enemy robot class. Public static int player health 100 by default values, and public static int enemy health equal to 100. So so yeah, it is working now. Now every time I want to display the health in the screen, so I will define a font in my resources first. So it would type font public static true type font HUD font, and I need a camera for the HUD. So it's public static orthocam. Why another camera? I can reuse this. So I'll define the font now. Int font ID is equal to loader dot define font. The name, style, and size. So the name is Arial. Style is wait a minute. True type font dot normal, and the size is 30. So now after this, I'll get the font. HUD font is equal to loader.get font FNID. I'll set this as the font for the graphics. HUD styles engine dot graphics dot graphics 2D dot set font to HUD font. Because I'm only having one font right now, I can simply directly set the font here. So in the play state, after rendering the scene, I have to get the graphics 2D. G2D is equal to science engine dot graphics dot get graphics 2D and G2D dot drawstring air health, and it is air health add content, and I'll draw the enemy string. So drawstring, I'll add a slash in before, so it will automatically go to the new line after by the size of the font. So enemy health is enemy health, and this is same at tendon. So now if I run it, yeah, I had font. I better change this color of the font. So I change the color G2D dot set color dot color dot values in it. Now yeah, so yes. So now it's time to add. I'll decrease the health later. So now it's time to add the shield with the down arrow. So in the enemy robot, this shield is a flag. Sorry, in a player robot, I'll add a private boolean shield, and in shield is simply uh, when you is simply a boolean. In shield is equal to keyboard dot is pressed a down. That's it. If the key down arrow key is pressed, we're in shield. Otherwise, we're not. So I just draw the shield texture here. G2D dot draw texture resources dot shield get x plus get width get y. The same is actually 2 times 48. Okay, this is one width heights and 5 height. So 5 times 48, and it also flips direction equal to left. I'm now flipping down. So now let's check this. Okay, it should be before, but it should be if shield. Added shield. The shield should be in the left side. Okay, this is good. So this depends on the shield actually. So direction equals to left question mark get x minus. Okay, let us make this get x plus. The direction is left minus width, otherwise width. Yeah, now let's check this. Okay, it is. There is no need for width actually. I think 0. Okay, I need a width of 48. One cell. The shield is now working correctly, and I want to restrict here that you can only fire if there is no shield. So this is this. So in shield, if not in shield, we check for key clicks. So on shield we can't. Okay, this player will use the shield, and this and the enemy uses the pillow I have drawn as the shield. So yeah, so the next thing is making the health affect the enemy robot. So every time one hit here, we change the play state dot enemy health minus equal to by 5. So it's good. Probably I'll have to remove this bird here. So okay, I remove that. Now yeah. So the next thing is the enemy AI. So I will probably be doing that in the next stream. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button below. Please leave a comment and also subscribe. So thank you for watching.